Hi guys, welcome back to Fit Witch. If you like this video, don't forget to exercise those thumbs and give this video a like. And join our Fit Tribe and subscribe. So today we're going to be cooking. It's going to be really fun because we've never done this before. I've got Oliver here. He's my little cooking buddy. Hey bud. Hello. Little nose. For a while I've been wanting to show you guys GoodFood. It's a fairly new company and they deliver food directly to your house. You order it online and it's full meals. They come in these glorious packages all ready for you. Some things are pre-cut, other things you do have to cut yourself. So what they do is they give you the full list of ingredients. They give you how many portions you get, how many calories it is, and how long it takes to cook it, which is really great. This one says it takes 35 minutes. It gives you all of the ingredients here, and on the back side they give you this really nice step-by-step what to do. So it makes it a lot easier for cooking if you don't really know what to do, and if you have kind of lack of inspiration of what you want to cook for supper. It's really great. I'm going to talk more about GoodFood, but for now, let's get cooking. I'm very happy I get to wear my apron. So we're going to get started. We've got some pork today with some potatoes and some carrots and a little side salad. So what you're going to be needing for this recipe are boneless pork chops. We've got a green onion. We've got some chives, Brussel sprouts. They've got their very own spice blend. We've got carrots, sunflower seeds, poppy seeds, Dijon mustard, honey Dijon dressing, and a bunch of little potatoes. One thing I would like to mention, when you do cook with GoodFood, you do normally have to have salt and pepper at your house and some olive oil. They do not supply that. We're gonna get started. So I'm going to preheat the oven at 450 degrees. So what I've just done, I washed my potatoes and I cut them into down the long way. And I've placed them on my pan, and now I'm going to do the carrots. So now I've just washed and peeled my carrots actually, and then I cut them down the long way. It said to do it in two, but I did it thinner so that it cooks better. And then we have to put them on a pan with parchment paper, a little bit of olive oil, half of the spice blend, and a little bit of salt and pepper. And this goes in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, I just have to say that was really good timing for the oven being ready, because that was pretty cool. Okay, for the carrots and potatoes, we have to turn them over halfway through the cooking. So in about 10 minutes, we'll be turning them over. For the Brussels sprouts, they say to cut them down the middle and then finely chop them. They say to chop off the end of the green onion, cut it finely, but keep the white end in one pile and the green end in the other pile. And I'm gonna cut off probably about like that. Some of that just sprayed in my face. And they say to finely chop all of the chives. So I just finished cutting all my veggies. They look great, nice and green, a lot of green. And now I'm going to be working on the sunflower seeds. So what they say, they want you to put a little bit of olive oil in a pan, and then you fry them on the pan for 2 to 3 minutes until at medium heat, until they're a little bit toasted. And then you're going to put them in a bowl and put salt and pepper on them right away. Everything is made. I dabbed the pork with a Scott towel just to get it dry, and then I put some salt and some pepper on each side and the other half of the spice blend, and I cooked it on a medium-high heat with a little bit of olive oil on the pan, and I cooked them 3 to 5 minutes on each side. When it was done, I put the Dijon mustard on the top, and then I put it aside for about 5 minutes to set. For the salad, I mixed the Brussels sprouts with the green onions and half of the chives that I chopped, and I put the poppy seeds in it with the honey Dijon sauce. I mixed it all up, and then I topped it with the toasted sunflower seeds. I also had some extra spice blends, so I just put some on the top. I'm gonna see if it turns out. Maybe it won't. We'll see. I cut the meat against the fibers of the meat. And then I topped it with the rest of the chives as well, as much as chives as I wanted, and some of the white part of the green onion. So I'm gonna try this meal now. The meat looks really well cooked, which is surprising because I'm really bad at that. That meat is really, really good. Something about the Dijon mustard, it just makes it really, really nice. Oh my God, they're perfectly cooked. The carrots and potato. That spice blend is fantastic. Really, really good. I'm gonna try the salad now. Oh wow, that's really good. I'm really pleased. The pork is really nice. Really a lot of flavor, and the carrots and the potatoes really have a lot of flavor too. So I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about GoodFood in case you don't know what it is. It's a fairly new company. I believe they're based in Montreal. What they do is you sign up on their website, you put a credit card in, then you order meals, and you can choose to have it come every week, every 2 or 3 or 4 weeks. If you don't want one for a certain week, you can cancel it. You have your whole profile on their website, and you can log in whenever you want and choose the meals that you want. They give you probably a dozen choices, and then you choose how many you want. If you want a preference of vegetarian only meals, they do offer that. They offer also fast prep meals that you just have to put in the microwave. They offer breakfast, and they offer smoothies as well. I really enjoy having the meals. I have had the smoothies. They're really great too. But the meals, I do find you get a real big bang for your buck. They come every week on Mondays, and you have until Wednesday to cancel your meal for the Monday if ever you don't want it. It's really quite convenient because it avoids you having to go to the grocery store if you don't know what to make. Everything comes in perfect portions, so you don't have to worry about wasting any food. It's really great for that. They have really unique recipes with fresh foods. Everything is really, really fresh. It comes in a box at your door. Everything's in perfect little bags. Everything's cut perfectly. They give you the right amount of vegetables that you need for the amount of portions you want. You can do 2 to 4 portions. It's really quite convenient for all that, and there's a lot less waste, I find, when I'm cooking, because you end up eating everything that's there because they give you the perfect amount of food. So there's nothing staying in the fridge and nothing's gonna go bad. I'd say the only thing I don't like is that everything does come individually packed. So all the sauce, all the vegetables, like if you have little tomatoes, it comes in a little plastic bag, all the spices, any kind of nuts that they put everything in bags. So at the end, you find yourself with a lot of plastic. I find it's a lot of waste. It obviously doesn't really diminish anything regarding the food. It's just something that I don't particularly enjoy because I don't like wasting this much plastic. I do put it in the recycling, I rinse everything out, I put it in the recycling, but I'm assuming that there's probably a lot of people who don't. So it does create a lot of waste. Another thing that might not be so great about this company is that you have to be on top of your schedule for your boxes. So if you don't, like me, want to have one every week, you can cancel as many weeks as you want. And that's what I do. And once in a while, when I don't feel like, if I know I'm gonna have a busy week, I just order a box and it comes in. But if you forget to cancel the weeks that you don't want it, and you forget to log in and choose your meals, they'll send you a box anyways, and you will get a box of the choices that they have, that they make for you. So it might not necessarily be meals that you want. That did happen to me. I forgot to cancel for that week. They sent me a box and I got some meals that I necessarily probably wouldn't have chosen. So it kind of makes it a little bit more difficult for that. So you do have to make sure that you're on top of things and make sure that you remember to cancel the weeks that you don't want it anymore. Food-wise, I find that everything's really delicious. I've had quite a few meals from them. I do enjoy the meals. It tastes really good. A lot of new things that I hadn't tried before. They get fresh pasta made in Montreal, so it's not like processed dry pasta. It's actually very, very fresh. It tastes really, really good. I do enjoy cooking it because you can see how long it takes you. It's like between 20 and 40 minutes per meal. It costs about $10 per meal. For 3 meals a week, it's about $60, and you get 2 portions and you get 3 separate meals. So that's 3 separate nights for 2 people. It's really awesome. And it comes straight to your door. You don't even have to go out to the store to buy any of it. If you do choose the vegetarian option, when I was a vegetarian, I was choosing that option so that I would make sure that I would be able to have meals that didn't have meat in them. I did, however, find that if you don't order something that is pasta, I found myself very hungry. They don't really give you, I think, a right amount of stuff that gives you a full balanced meal. But other than that, the rest of the meals that I've had, I've actually quite enjoyed. They do taste really good. I've known other people who have also tried the meals and they've all loved them. They've loved this experience. Overall, really great company, not too expensive. It's a decent price for what you're getting from them, and the food is really excellent, really unique. I cannot put that out there enough. I've tried foods that I've never expected to try, so I encourage you guys to go check them out. And a lot of the times they do give a lot of coupons for first-time buyers, so that does make it really convenient for new people. In the comment section today, we want to know what your favorite recipe has been so far by us, or which cooking video you liked best from us. Let us know in the comment section. Let us know if you enjoyed some of the recipes we've given you, because we've got lots more to come. So thanks for watching, guys, and as always, embrace your natural self by tagging us in your posts, #glorify the natural lifestyle.